guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria. I'll be clearing your doubts and answering questions that you have about the Plum Niacinamide Serum. Now I've been using both and I thought why not make a video on this versus this and answer all your queries and confusions. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's talk about this versus that. We will be having sections as usual. First will obviously be the product overview. So first I'll be talking about the 5% one. It is basically a lower concentration of niacinamide, that is 5%. It is gentler for beginners and sensitive skin people. Also because of its texture, it is great for oily skin as well. This contains rice water for hydration and amino acid complex to boost hydration. This is a 30 ml bottle which retails between 400 to 500 I guess. I'll mention the exact price on the screen so you can check that. Also I'll leave the links to the product in the description. It works great on dark spots, but it takes a little more time to show visible results compared to the 10% one. Now talking about the 10% niacinamide. This is basically a higher concentration of niacinamide, which is 10%. Contains rice ferment extracts for smoothness in skin and licorice extracts for reducing inflammation and redness. It retails for about something like $4.99 or $5.99. I'll mention it on the screen for your reference. Again, this is a 30 ml bottle. Now this particular product brightens your skins, fades dark spots and acne marks with regular use. But because it's a higher concentration, it's not meant for beginners, and because of its sticky texture, it is not meant for oily to acne prone skin as well. We'll talk that in the video in the next part. Talking about the key ingredients of the products, both serums contain niacinamide for brightening and reducing dark spots and acne marks. Both contain rice extracts which help in skin smoothing. Now what's different about it is that the 10% and 5% concentrate part that it has. 10% is higher concentration which makes the process of healing your skin faster compared to the 5% one, meaning the 10% one will actually brighten your skin, reduce blemishes on your face a little quicker compared to the 5% one. But the 10% one is very stickier and doesn't actually dry up or get absorbed into the skin really quick, so it can be a major no for oily to acne prone skin. To be honest, niacinamide is something that is actually made for oily and acne prone skin, and a lot of you might tell me that niacinamide will work for oily skin, it is meant for oily skin. But because of the 10% niacinamide texture, which is very sticky and doesn't dry up, it can be a risk because it will attract more dirt and gunk into your skin. It will get stuck to your skin and you might get more infections. Your acne might actually blow up. So that is the reason I tell you to stay away from it. My friends have tested it and this is what they said. I am a dry skin person, so I can easily use the 10% one. I am not a beginner to potent serum, so I am using this and I did not get any reaction. But if you're somebody who is having sensitive skin or acne prone skin, I would suggest stay away. You could rather go for the 5% one. It equally works well, just that the results are a little bit slow, but it really works, trust me on that. 5% niacinamide is basically on the lighter side, so it's great for anybody who's a beginner, for teenagers, and also for people who have sensitive skin. Both don't have fragrance, so it's great for sensitive skin. But because the 10% one is stickier, I'm telling you to go for the 5% one for sensitive skin people. Now let's talk about texture, absorption and feel on the skin. First let's talk about the Plum 5% serum. It's lightweight, fast absorbing, leaves a smooth non-greasy finish, works really well under sunscreen or makeup. It's suitable for all skin types including sensitive skin and also teenage skin. Now let's talk about the Plum 10% niacinamide. It has a very sticky or a tacky finish or texture, takes really long to absorb into the skin, feels slightly heavy on the skin sometimes, can leave a tacky finish which is not great under sunscreen or makeup. Because of the texture, I don't feel it's ideal for acne prone to oily skin people as it can trap bacteria into your skin. Now let's talk about the performance and results. Talking about 5% niacinamide, it's gentle and non-irritating, no reaction at all. Works on dark spots, but it takes a little bit more time compared to the 10% 10% one. Hydrates the skin really well and also brightens your skin over time. No heavy feeling, it just feels like nothing on the skin. Very nice texture on the skin. It's great for beginners, sensitive skin people and for teenagers. Now let's talk about the Plum 10% niacinamide. Brightens skin really fast. Great for dry skin people, won't suggest it for acne prone to oily skin people. Again and again mentioning this because it's very tacky and sticky. Also works really very well on fading acne marks really quickly compared to the 5% one. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.